Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you a simple trick how you can change the page movement for your documents in Microsoft Word really quickly. So let us get started. So let's assume your document features not two, but more pages. Like let me add, for example, page 3 and page 4. And as you can see, these pages move vertically up and down. So if you'd like to switch to a side-to-side movement, page movement, like for example, as if you were reading a book, simply follow my instructions. What you want to do, guys, is switch from the Home tab to the View tab here. And here in the View tab, simply pay attention to the page movement and switch from a vertical movement to a side-to-side movement, just like that. And after that, you will be given the opportunity to move or to navigate through your pages side by side or horizontally. So if, for example, at page 3 and 4, you will see that these pages are moving from right to left as if you were reading a book or adding new pages to a book. So that's how it works in practice, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time.